Okay, let's take a look at importing actuals from a trial balance into 4CastPro. We'll open up 4CastPro, inputting the default username and password. We'll set up a new company called Test Import 3, and we'll add the company. We'll then click on it to open the company. Now what we're trying to do is import from a trial balance in XLS format. So on the main menu here we've got an option to TB import from XLS file. So if we open that, we can open up an example file of what this needs to look like. You can see it's got the account name, the account number, the account name, a default cost center against all the accounts, and a type. So each of the accounts needs to get allocated to one of these main types on the right hand side. You can do that by selecting the drop down in this particular spreadsheet. The whole thing needs to have a name called TB, so the program knows where to import from. Once you've got it in that sort of format, we're ready to go. So first of all, get the file. It's stored here under 4CastPro import, so we select the TB, and first of all we initially sync the accounts. I'm sure, yes. Do you wish to import account groups? These are the main management account groups, so yes, we answer yes to that one, and away we go. And there we are, it's done it. We now probably want to import the figures from the trial balance as well, which you'll do on a period by period basis. So we'll click the import button. First of all, it notices it's in period 0, so it's importing it for the first period of the year. And there you go, it's done that. So let's take a look, see what we've got. You can see it's brought in all the management account groups that we had in our trial balance. If we look at, it's brought in the figures for period 1. If we look at the charts of accounts, you can see it's brought in all the sales account groups, all the overhead account groups. Let's take a look at the balance sheet. You can see it's brought in nicely all the main statutory account figures on the balance sheet. So that's it. That's importing from a trial balance. The other thing we can do is import nominal ledger by month from a spreadsheet. Let's take a look at what this format of this file would need to look like. You can see what we've got is a range called NL. We've got a brought forward column and then all the movements for the current year up to period 12. So once we've got a file in that sort of format, we can change the period to period 12, because this time we're going to bring in the whole year. Import nominal ledger by month, import it into the main cost center, get the file, which this time is nl.xls, and initial sync of accounts. Yes. Similar to last time, it asks the same sort of questions and brings in all the data. Now we want to import the balances, so we click on import balances, and again it brings in the balances. So let's take a look and see what we've got. This time we've got a different chart of account structure, so we've got different account groups here. But you can see it's brought in the whole year on the profit and loss account side and the whole year on the balance sheet side. If we look at the chart of accounts, you can see it's brought in all the account groups and the overhead account groups for this from this chart of accounts. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can get your data in from spreadsheets that you can export from your accounting system. That's it for now.